Hello and welcome, it's Pierre here, Piotr Fisner from the Screen Protector and Inte.Team. We've got a PS5. I took out the sides. So what's wrong? What's the story about it? Well, this one is working, but it's overheating. Sometimes it's really quick, sometimes it's really slow. I said to the customer that if first time he's seen it and he would do something about it, there would be high probability, it will be recovered. But because he was waiting, like for so long, we can't guarantee that opening it and cleaning it, yes, will help. So I said, look, I know there will be dust, there will be everything, but let's just try. Let's just try open it and let's just try and clean it, because that's the least we can do. I can run thermal camera after that, and if I will be happy, I can give it back to the customer, yes. If I'll see some abnormalities like higher temps or something, then of course we will be investigating it, yes. But for now it's only to open it and do it. If I would see the at least end of the serial number so that customer can know that it's his, it's 1325023. Yes, so that's the PS5. Now I won't be showing this assembly because that's no point, but what I can show is that this is a sticker. Warranty sticker looks intact, but it's a bit slightly off. Still look intact. So yeah, there is a screw underneath. I'll open it to the last screw and we will open it, or I'll leave the last screw and we will open it and we will see how much dust it was, so that customer can see that on the recording as well, and the recording won't take so long, to watch after, yes. So if you can, please do like and or subscribe, but I'm going to the second desk and I'm starting to open it. See you soon. Okay guys, so I didn't leave any screw to save up on time, but I did leave this one. So now we can disconnect this wire from this side, this from this side, okay, and last but not least we can disconnect the fan. Okay, so first time we can see the insides. Okay, now we should be ready. I don't think I missed any screws, and that's the easy part finished. Yes, because we've got this part out. So yeah, let's check if I missed any screws. No, I didn't. Okay, now there will be a connector. And guys, I think customer was right about this overheating. I need to tear apart just one thing. Now it's now you need to press. Okay, you need to pull it with your finger nail. Now look, this is not too bad, but it is, it is dusty. It's normal. To be true, it's nothing new here. The only thing I'm really worried is that, is it too late? That's only what I'm worried, yes? So for those who think, see, that's what it is here, and that's what's bad. So that's what you can't access without opening it. Yeah. You need to open it or get it to someone who can open it for you. Now you can compare the difference. Now we could leave it this way Where's my bin? Yes. Now we could leave it this way. And maybe that would even serve this console. Or open it to the very end as well. Don't know if you can see, but there is more as well. I think the best way will be if I'll take this one off this and I'll show you like. Okay, so there is a bit of a, you know, as I'm saying, that probably would be enough even with what we've done to this, because the rest usually is fine. Sorry for the shakiness and sounds. Okay, there is plenty of screws. Okay, there is like plenty of screws, and to take the mainboard out and clean that part, it will take me another, you know, time, because there is plenty of them. So I'll hoover this one. I don't have a hoover here. No. Hoover. I've got a hoover. Sorry. I'm forgetting that I'm putting it down. Actually, you don't have to listen to me hoovering. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've disconnected, well, I unscrewed the screws, so now we can look if I missed any. If I haven't, this should go off, off. Okay, good. That's okay. Now there's a few screws which are staying. It's here where the this connector is, here in between two connectors as well, and that's the only screws which you have before putting the metal part which you've seen. Yeah, so that's one here, second here. Okay, that's two. And now you need a regular pH1 or no, pH0, I'd say. That's looking like pH0 for the clamp. Okay, one part and the second part. Okay, so the metal part of the clamp and the plastic part of the clamp. That's what it is. So now the mainboard is ready to be taken out. Ah, no, not yet. Here, this metal which you have, it's alright. It was pressing or pulling. Come on, I just done it. I just done it last week. Pressing? No, pressing doesn't do anything. So we need to pull it. No. Ah, okay. It is pressing, but you need to press on the whole surface flat on this thingy here, because if you don't press it fully, it won't go off that easily. Okay. Yeah. So sorry, my bad. But anyways, that's the last bit and bob which should stay on here, and we should be able to gently pry it. I like to do it from sides because I don't like to lift it up only on one side, because I don't want to damage anything. I never did, but you know, there's always this first time, and customer want to come in 1 hour to collect it. So yay, that would be really bad. Look, I just damaged your mainboard, you won't have it. So yeah. Come on, there's no way something can block it at the moment. It's just going like that. No. You know, just going like that because done quite a few of them now. Yeah, see, so you just need to be careful. And the metal is a bit messy. Liquid metal is a bit messy. Okay, so now let's put the main board on the side. And now we can do the last screws here, which is those few thingies. Okay, so I'll be right back. So now if you did at the back those two black ones and you undo all those, it should start to go off like this. Okay, now you can admire how much dust it has. So that's the second part, and that's the last part. You could take it together with that part, actually, I've forgotten. So in my case we do it all. Yes, and now you can see why it was, you see, and the second part at the bottom as well. I know it doesn't look ideal here, but now you can see why it could really not only overheat but create a lot of damage, like burn the APU. Yes, so guys, hopefully that's something you understand that you need to do. And here as well is the power supply. You can see how much dust is there, so it has to overheat if you don't open it on the regular basis. 1 to 1.5 years usually all the electronics should be open and cleaned. If you've got pristine house conditions, then you might be lucky with even up to 4 years, believe it or not. But who've got pristine conditions at home? I don't. So yeah, okay guys, I'll pause it. Yes, I'll pause it, I'll clean it, and we can put it back together. Okay guys, one customer will come in here for a few minutes, but you can see that it's completely wiped. Well, there are bits and bobs, but it's like no issues, no dust whatsoever. Yes, well, that, as I'm saying, it's not pristine, but here was at the power supply, you've seen the problem, nothing. All good, all cleaned, and the radiator, which was the biggest of them all. Yes, so it's fine. Now you can say that I'll do it at home. You could, literally you could. Only you need to know how to deal with liquid metal, because on 2 of those components you've got liquid metal, and you need to put it back. If you don't put it back, this will overheat because of that. So if you know how to work with liquid metal, go for it, do it yourself. There are 60 odd screws. Apart from that, it's no biggie. If you don't know how to deal with the liquid metal, either learn it or give it to someone to do it for you. Yeah? But guys, that's all I wanted in this episode. So see you in the next video, and if possible, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.